Welcome to Curious Corner Lab.
Swans, the famous lovebirds. Swans are probably the most symbols of lifelong love in the animal world. Many swans form long-term pair bonds that can last for years, sometimes for life. Their babies, called cygnets, are cared for and protected by both parents. They live around lakes, rivers, wetlands, and other waterways. Pairs often swim and move their heads together during courtship, sometimes creating a beautiful heart-like shape. For swans, partnership means love, parenting, and teamwork. Bald eagles often form long-term pair bonds. They may stay with the same partner for many years. Both parents build the nest, incubate the eggs, feed their eaglets, and protect them. Albatrosses form incredibly long-lasting bonds. Both parents take turns to raise their chick. They breed on remote islands and spend much of their lives over the open sea. While one stays with the chick, the other may travel far across the ocean for food. Their huge wings allow them to glide enormous distances. They spend very little energy flapping. They may spend days or weeks apart, but they return to their colony to reunite. Have you ever heard of a bird family where the mother actually seals herself inside a tree? Behold the hornbill's secret treehouse. They are one of nature's most fascinating bird couples. Many hornbill species form strong, long-term pair bonds, and the parents work together to raise their babies. When it's time to nest, something extraordinary happens. The female climbs into a hollow and seals the entrance, leaving only a tiny opening. She stays safely inside with her eggs, and later her chicks. And who brings them food? Their loving dad! The male spends his time searching for fruits, insects, and small animals, and passes food through the little opening to his partner and their babies. When the chicks become bigger, the mother eventually breaks out, and both parents can continue feeding the young. A mother inside a tree, a father delivering food, and hungry babies waiting inside. Nature has created one of the most unusual family homes on Earth. How amazing it is! Gibbons, the singing couples. Many gibbons form strong pair bonds and live in small families with their young. Parents protect their territory and raise their babies together. They live high in the forests, swinging with their long arms. Pairs produce loud, coordinated songs. These help communicate and defend their territory. This may be a couple saying, "This is our home!" Several penguin species form strong pair bonds during breeding, although not every species stays with one partner for life. Parents share the work of protecting their chick and finding food. One parent may stay with the baby while the other searches for food, then they switch. Their wings have become powerful flippers, making them excellent swimmers. In their freezing world, teamwork can mean survival. Sandhill cranes are famous for long-term pair bonds. And they don't just choose partners quietly, they dance! Pairs bow, jump, stretch their wings, and sometimes toss objects during courtship. Their babies are called colts, and both parents help raise them. They live in wetlands, grasslands, and open areas across North America. During migration, thousands may gather together, but each pair can maintain its own special bond. A lizard on a lifelong partner list? Yes! Shingleback skinks in Australia can form remarkably long-lasting pair associations. They live in dry areas of Australia, sometimes reuniting year after year. Unlike many reptiles, females give birth to live young. And their short, chunky bodies have a strange trick. The tail looks surprisingly like another head. This can confuse predators about which end is the real head. Small-clawed otters. These tiny otters live around freshwater habitats in South and Southeast Asia. Pairs can form long-term bonds, and families may include parents, babies, and older offspring.
Young otters depend on their family while learning to survive, and older siblings may help care for younger pups.
Their tiny front paws are highly sensitive and help them find and handle food such as crabs. Parrots, colorful partners. Many parrot species form strong, long-lasting pair bonds. Partners stay close, groom, and raise their babies together. Their young hatch from eggs and depend on their parents for food and protection. Parrots live in forests, woodlands, savannas, and other habitats around the world.
Beavers, nature's engineers. Beavers can form lifelong partnerships and raise several generations together. Their babies are called kits.
And older youngsters may help care for younger siblings. They live beside rivers, lakes, and ponds, often in lodges built from branches and mud.
Their ever-growing front teeth help them cut trees, and their dams create wetlands that benefit many other animals. That's why beavers are called nature's engineers.
Beavers, nature's engineers. Beavers can form lifelong partnerships and raise several generations together. Their babies are called kits.
And older youngsters may help care for younger siblings. They live beside rivers, lakes, and ponds, often in lodges built from branches and mud. Wolves, the family team. A wolf pack is often a family built around a breeding pair. The parents raise their pups, while other pack members may help protect and feed them. Young wolves learn hunting and survival skills by watching the adults. They live in forests, mountains, tundra, and grasslands. As they grow, some young wolves leave, find partners, and start families of their own. So one wolf family can become the beginning of another. Scientists study them to understand how animals form social attachments. Compared to many other animals, these species form stronger and longer-lasting bonds with their partners. Some stay together for life, while others remain together for many years or several breeding seasons. If a partner dies or the bond ends, they may find another mate.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Curious Corner Lab. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring.